Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy AM coming to you with another unboxing video. Cool. Today we're going to be opening up this really cool mouse pad. This is the Steelseries QCK Prism. And this is kind of an extended mouse pad that has RGB lighting. Not with just one, but two colors. Woo! Check it out. Okay, we are back with our handy dandy knife, the sharpest knife in all of the world. I got this from my cousin. Shout out to my cousin. I always say that every video, but that is the truth. Free knives that are super sharp are always good. Shout out to anybody that gets free knives that are super sharp that can cut open any box. And today we will be cutting open this bad boy here. This is the Steelseries QCK Prism extended RGB mouse pad. Woo! RGB is a fad in PC, but you know what? RGB rocks. RGB is the best. So what we'll be doing is we'll be trying to make sure that we get everything that we want to do in this unboxing video here. We want to open it up, look at it, and just see if it's worth your purchase. That's what I mean by everything. Everything! So, anyways, let's get started on this unboxing. Like I said, this is the front of the box. This is an extended mouse pad. Razer makes one too, but the reason why I picked this one up is because more lights means better. The Razer mouse pad that they have, the extended one that has RGB lights, that one only has one color. This one here has two, and I picked it up because one is not as good as two, and two is better than one. So that's rule number one. And more colors means more cool looks at your PC. It makes you feel super awesome, like you're flying a spaceship when you're mousing and keyboarding, flying that spaceship. Anyways, so this is the front of the box. What we have right here, it says real-time multicolor lighting notifications, brilliant 2-zone RGB illumination. That's what I like. As we can see here, we have a little pink on top, a little yellow on the bottom, but you can configure it any way you want. All you have to do is go onto their website, download their little color modifier, whatever it is called, and just modify the colors any way you like. And then right here it says microwoven surface with maximum control. So you know that is for pro gaming strats. So when you move your mouse and stuff like that, you can obviously do everything that you want to do with it to the maximum degree. So that's the bottom of the box, shows you how it would look with a keyboard. See, that's like the normal mouse pads, super tiny. This is the extended version. It goes up to full. Rewind all that up. Let's start all over again. This is the small one, but I got the maximum size, which is XL, so it can fit my gaming desk. Did it? Yes. Flubbed it up, but saved myself. And then that's what we have there. This is the bottom of the box, has specifications. We don't need to read that. And this gives you more options, shows you different sizes of mouse pads that they offer. You know, they got tiny bitty one, hard surface one, another one that's a little bit bigger, one that's like, you know, more square, the extended one. And if you don't want to get the lights, then they got you this little one that you roll out. I have one of those. I use it. I like it. Is it the best? Probably not. And so this is another look at the box. Here's the top of the side of the box. Just shows you what it would look like on your desk. Yeah, there we go. And there's that XL. You know how it is. Go big or go home. So let's cut open this box and see what's inside, right? So we just want to cut a little lightly. Don't want to cut too deep because we have to unbox this and we don't want to cut it. That'd be so bad if you cut your mouse pad in a big old hole. Ugh. Don't even want to talk about that. Bad luck. Bad juju. You know what I'm saying? So let's just use this super sharp knife to cut open away this plastic. For one thing, Steelseries just use a ton of plastic on this thing. I don't know what to say. But it was a lot of tape. So we got that done. Popped out the side. So the cool thing is, you can tell by those boxes that they kind of rolled up the mouse pad so you won't get any creases or anything of the kind. So that's kind of dope. So let's just keep digging inside and see what we have. Alright, so that's what it looks like right there. We got a cable cord hanging out. Ooh, but let's just pull this bad boy out. Ooh, just comes out like that. And let's keep going out. There's the box to hold its shape right there. And that is it. Look at that. That's empty. See that? Empty. Can't really tell because of the shadows inside the box, but yeah, pretty empty. So let's just set that aside, and then let's look at this mouse pad. This is what's kind of holds its shape so it doesn't get crushed and you get creases on that super slick mouse pad that you paid for. Good thing is I got this sucker on sale. It comes in at $59 USA, but I got it on sale, like I said. So well, it cost me only $30. RGB extended mouse pad, which I like because I have my full keyboard. So I was like, might as well. My other mouse pad doesn't have RGB. Kind of sucks, right? Yep. So covering the mouse pad, we have this plastic guard, which is kind of taped together, which is pretty cool. So let's rip it open and get that sweet sound of the package being open for all you unboxing junkies. Yep, that's how it goes. Ooh. Okay. So this is the back side of the pad. Ooh, there's even an inside guard too, so you can't damage it with whatever. Alright, so first impressions, this is the bottom side of the pad. First impressions is, this feels like every normal mouse pad bottom. Rubbery, has a lot of stick to it so it won't slide around on your table. Any surfaces that you decide to put this on. Now we go to the main bad boy here. So what we have here is the mouse pad, and this feels really good. Has a premium feel. It extends so far. See how long that is? Whoa, that's a big one. And then so the RGB tubes are on the side right here, and then they're just like stitched on it. It's very loose, so it might rip a little bit, so we might be a little bit gentle with it. Hopefully it's of good quality. They use like a translucent type of stitch on there so you can get the full RGB effect. See that? It's pretty cool. Yeah, totally dig it. See, this thing, the reason why I picked this one up over like the other ones is because like the Razer one has like a little dongle here, and it kind of sticks up, and I don't like that at all. I want to be as flush as to the ground as possible, and this is kind of like your best option. See how flush it is to like the ground? Well, against the ground, but to the tabletop. So it doesn't have that much room for you to like hit it and stuff like that, and so it doesn't stick up. And a lot of these RGB mouse pads, they like design them really weird, so they have like things in the weird areas. And so this is nice that it's on the side, so right here you can put everything all the way across it, and then this won't get in your way. Sometimes if you have it like right here on the top, it gets in the way of stuff. It's good that it's off to the side, has a low profile like that. See it? It's very low. And then this is your cord, and it just plugs right into your computer. USB. You download the software, change the colors any way you want it. So right there, overall this is a pretty cool buy, I would say. I probably will add video of me hooking up to my computer and you see how it looks with lights on. I really dig this mouse pad. It feels really premium product. It feels really good. I have a Corsair extended mouse pad as well, and that one feels really good, and this feels just as good as the quality of it. So I really like it. And I also love the fact that it doesn't have any insignia on it except for like right here. I like that a lot. I hate when you get mouse pads and they put like these generic graphics across it. Really bad. This is really cool. I'm totally digging this black top. That's the way that you should do it. It's like, give people that option. You know, make two different kinds. One with like your graphic on it, and then one that's just like black. then they can pick and choose what they want. And a lot of times they'll put like a branding here and there, but I don't like it. I like it like, you know, my aesthetic to be really simple, really clean, like this. So far, I'll have to plug it in and check it out to see if it's worth the purchase. $60 for extended mouse pad that has RGB lighting is kind of a lot, but I mean, you spend a lot of money on your gaming computer, might as well shell out the extra bucks, right, to make your aesthetic even better. So why stop there? Go the whole nine. You got that 1080 Ti graphics card, you got the new RTX 2080, might as well just shell out an extra 60 bucks and make your rig look pretty nice. Some people say it's excessive, I don't think so. You game at it, you want to feel cool, get it. So yeah, we're back at it again. This is the RGB flex that I'm doing right now. This is the unboxing of that Steelseries QCK Prism extended mouse pad. I guess they could call it the XL. That's the way it looks when it's all lit up. Lit up or lit up? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's still lit. Check it out. Pretty sweet. Look at that bad boy. Damn. So if you like what you've seen, be sure to hit that subscribe button. More subscribers means more views for my videos, and I'd be extremely grateful for that. Hit that like button if you like it. If you don't like this video, just hit the dislike. You know, maybe you don't like the things I said. Maybe that flub in the middle got you pissed off. So hit that dislike button. But if you like it, just a little bit, hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, just check out my channel and watch all the other unboxing videos that I've done. See like how my setup looks like. I have on my video blog my PC setup, second form. You know, this is going to be adding to the third form, and then maybe there's going to be a final form. Who knows? Time will tell. Peace.